Hi, welcome to Metanotech. In this guide, we'll walk through purchase management in Metanotech. To get started, go to the purchasing menu. Here you'll find a list of documents like requests for quotation, purchase orders, and more. Let's create a new document. For example, if you want to create a purchase document from a Metanotech supplier, you can set the expected arrival date for the units you order. This document can also be linked to project management. Simply select the product you want to purchase. Confirm the order and send the purchase order directly from Metanotech via email. Now, let's check our sent emails. As you can see, the vendor has received the purchase order and is invited to their purchasing portal. The supplier can also chat with our purchasing division directly from the portal. Once the order is confirmed, the warehouse personnel receive a new receipt document for validation. Next, let's check the status of the purchasing document. Once everything is in order, we can generate the bill and forward it to the finance department. You can also review detailed reports based on order date, product, and even view reports in formats like pie charts. And that's it. Thank you for using Metanotech. Stay tuned for more in-depth guides and tips to help streamline your business operations with Metanotech.